Withdrawing money from crypto apps to bank accounts or cashing out the money from your crypto app has not been easy due to the restrictions in some countries. Some countries cannot be able to withdraw money from their crypto app to their bank account. But in this video, I'm going to show you how to withdraw money from your Binance account to your bank account. That is how to cash out from your Binance account. So without wasting much of your time, let's get started. Make sure you have the latest version of the Binance app installed on your smartphone. Now, log into your Binance app. Now, tap on the access button at the bottom right corner of your screen. And here you will see the option to deposit and to withdraw. So in this video, we are talking about withdrawal. So I'll tap on withdraw and I'll be given the option to select withdrawal method. So I'll select sell in USD. So let me select this. And I'll be asked to choose the crypto that I want to withdraw. Okay, I have USDT here, 0.0038, and I have other coins, but let me select USDT. I know that there's nothing there, but let me just select it. Now I'm being asked to enter amount, so let me say $10, and I'll have to select the receive method, that is select transaction method. So when I tap on this now, in the next page it says no matching offer, please change amount, go to P2P. So, and here I can as well change my region. So depending on your country, you have to select your country here to know if you can be able to withdraw the money to your bank account through this first step by selling in USD. That is, for you to be able to withdraw, you will need to have a USD account, you need to have a US dollar account that can be able to receive money. So when I select this now, see Nigeria, and then I'll tap on confirm. Here, as you can see, it says the entered amount or the selected region does not support P2P trading. Please modify it and try again. So as you can see, P2P is not available in my country, which means I cannot be able to withdraw the money from this Binance account to my bank account because P2P is not available. But if it's available in my country, options will appear and I'll be able to withdraw the money into my bank account. So now let me go back. We have another option here. So the option we have, when I tap on withdraw, the option I have here is to select P2P trading. So let me select this. Then in the next page, I'll see the list of people that are willing to send money to my bank account. So let's say I have 10 USD in my Binance and I want to sell the money into my bank account. So while on sell, you can switch this tab from sell to buy or from buy to sell. So, but we are withdrawing, so we choose sell. But if we are buying, that means we are adding money into the Binance account. But since we are withdrawing, we leave it on sell. And this USD here is to choose your currency. So here we have all the available currencies here. We have all BOB, BHD, BAM. Here is a UAE dirham. So you can use this search bar here to search for your country. So I'm currently in Nigeria. Let me say NGN. So as you can see, NGN is not available on this list. So which means I cannot be able to withdraw the money to my bank account. So now, okay, let's say I have a USD account. So let me select USD. Here is it. I'll select USD. Just choose the country's currency and see if you can be able to withdraw to your bank account. So here, this one is restricted. I cannot be able to trade with this one. So here are the people. So I'll pay attention to the limit. So the limit I can sell to this person, or the minimum amount I can sell to this person, is $50 to 580 USD. So let me select this one. So in the next page, I'll be asked to select amount because I am selling. That's why it's saying sell USDT. So when I sell to this person, the person will send money to me. So let's say the minimum is 50, so I'll have to enter 50. I don't have 50 in my account, but I'll select, see, enter value less than 00. So I don't have anything here, but let me just use it because this is just a tutorial video. So here is where I will select payment method. Look at it, it's saying select a payment method. So when I choose this now, I'll be asked to add add First Bank International account. So depending on the payment method I selected, okay, let's say, let me go back now. I can choose amount that I want to withdraw here. Let's say I want to sell or I want to withdraw $20. Okay, let's use this $20 that is here. Now, tap on confirm. So here the limit will now change. As you can see, the limit here is $10 to 6,000. So here I can change the payment method. So look at the payment method. We have ATM and we have bank transfer. So this is bank transfer. For those of you looking for how to withdraw to cash or how to cash out the money in your Binance, you have to select this bank transfer after selecting your currency here. When you choose your currency here, you choose the receive method to be bank transfer, tap on confirm, and your banks will be listed here. So as you can see, I have only one available here, but depending on your country, you can have a lot of options. So when I choose sell now, I'm being asked to select amount, and I will enter, let's say $10, and then so this now serves as my bank account, and I will now tap on place order. If I tap this, it's not going to work. It's not going to work because you see enter value less than 00 this thing, because there's no money in my account that I'm willing to sell or withdraw. That's why it has refused. But if I was able to click this person will be notified and my details will be given to him, and he will send the equivalent amount to $10 into my bank account, and he will now come back here to notify me that he has sent the money to my account. Then I will now go to my bank account and check if I have received the equivalent amount. Once received, I will come back to my Binance and then tap on release crypto, and the money will be released to the person. So that's how it works. I would have loved to withdraw the money into my account in this video, but Binance is restricted in my country, so I cannot do that right now. So that's how this P2P function works. Let's go back to the home screen. Here is it. When you tap on assets, the two options we have here to withdraw, this selling USDT and P2P trading is not available for me because Binance P2P and Naira is restricted in Binance. So the only option I can be able to use is to withdraw the money to another crypto exchange that can withdraw to my currency in my country. And that is all on how to withdraw money from your Binance account to your bank account. So if you find this video helpful, don't forget to give it a like, subscribe to my channel for more interesting videos like this. But there's one more thing left. I've also made a video here. Watch this video and I will see you in the video.